Hey, what's going on? It's Nathan Resnick, the founder and CEO of Sourcify. You might have seen me last week on CNBC talking about global supply chains and what's going on with the current COVID-19 outbreak. What I want to talk to you about is an idea that you have in your head. I've had it so many times in terms of an idea that I want to bring and turn into a product. If you start drawing, that's just like this. I'm going to teach you in our product course how to go from an idea to a finished product in as little as 90 days. So we start by using a 48-hour rendering playbook to turn any drawing, any sketch into a rendering that we then help you find a factory to produce. And so usually within 30 days, we're able to go from that idea to rendering to finished sample. And that's when we start helping launch on Shopify, Amazon, or Kickstarter. This is a screenshot of our students just a week. They're $20,000 a week. They left the 9-to-5 job and now run their own product sourcing or product driven business full time. So if you want to learn more, sign up. There's a webinar right below, completely free. My goal is just to provide as much information to you as possible so you can take that idea and turn it into a finished product that you're now selling online.